Welcome to Sorted Basic, a complimentary portal for accountants to streamline their SMSF audit workflows by collaborating with Cloudoffis Auditors using audit automation. It enables seamless client data imports from leading accounting softwares and simplifies audit job creation and submission. Accountants can efficiently generate pre-audit letters in bulk, share signed pre-audit letters, receive signed post-audit reports via audit automation, respond to job-specific queries, and track audit job statuses in real time, all within the intuitive Sorted Basic portal. Let's walk through the setup process and key features. Getting started is simple. Your auditor sends you an invitation to create your sorted portal. Click the Register Now button in the email invite to accept the invitation. Fill in your name, email, contact number, and address. Agree to the terms and click Submit Request. Use the credentials from the follow-up email to log in. You will be redirected to change your existing system-generated password received in the email. Once done, you will be logged into the Sorted Basic portal and redirected to the Audit Firm tab of the Connect page. If you're already using Sorted Basic and you want to connect with another auditor, you can simply accept the Connect request by navigating to Admin, clicking on Connect, and then on the Audit Firm tab, and select Accept from the Action button. You can connect with more than one auditing firm. To set up audit job preferences, go to Settings on the dashboard. Select Audit Jobs option for jobs by status and jobs in progress. Select External for queries and click Save. This will help you to only display relevant information. Now the next step is creating staff. Click on Admin, Staff, and then on the Create New Staff button. Assign a role. It could be either super user or manager. Enter the first name and last name and the email ID. Once done, click on Create New Staff. The staff member will be created successfully. Now, let's talk about importing client data from your accounting software into SMSF Sorted Basic. If you are using BGL 360 or Supermate as your accounting software, you can directly import clients to SMSF Sorted Basic. If you are using Class as your accounting software, you can use SMSF Sorted Lite. And guess what? If there's any other software, you can create clients manually too. Let's first see how to import clients. Click on Clients, Manage Clients, and then on the Import Client button. You will now have two options: Import from BGL 360 and Import from Supermate. Both softwares have similar processes to import clients. Here, we will select the Import from BGL 360 option to demonstrate the process further. You will be redirected to the BGL login page. Enter your BGL credentials to log in and click on Authorize. You will see a list of available clients ready to import on your screen. Select the clients you wish to import. Once clients are finalized, click on Import Selected Clients. You will be able to view the import progress on your screen. Once the import is successful, click on the Manage Clients button. Here, you'll see the list of imported clients. If you are using any other accounting software, here's how you can add clients manually. Click on Clients, Manage Clients, and then on the Import Clients button, and select the Add Client option. On the appearing slider, fill in the basic details: contact details, fund details, trustees, members, and file. Client name, SMSF ID, business code, business name, and ABN are mandatory fields. Once completed, click on Create Client. If you see the info icon alongside the client name, this means some of the important fund information is missing. You can simply add the missing information by clicking on Update Client. To view client details and make sure everything is updated, click on Clients, Manage Clients, and then on the Action button. Now, select View Client to view basic details. contact information, fund details, trustee details, member details, and files. To update any client details, you will have to update the client details in the accounting software and then re-import the client to reflect the changes in your SMSF Sorted Basic portal. To re-import the client, click on Client, Manage Clients, and then on the Action button. Now select the Re-import Client option. The re-import process will start, and you will receive a confirmation once completed. Here's how you can submit the job to the auditor. Click on Client, Manage Clients, and then on Submit to Auditor option from the Action button. Now, enter the financial year, select Client Contact and Auditor from the drop-down, and click on Next. Upload the documents and click on Next again. Now, review the details and click on Submit. The job will be successfully submitted. You can simply cancel the audit submission if you have just sent the job to the auditor for further processing, and you realize it was supposed to be sent to a different auditor before they create and process the job. To cancel audit submission, click on Clients and then on Manage Jobs. Now, navigate to the Submitted to Auditors tab and click on the action icon and select the Cancel Audit Submission option. A pop-up will appear on your screen, letting you know that if you cancel the audit submission, the audit request will be removed from the Auditor's portal. You will be able to submit the job later with the same or different auditor. If you agree to this, click on Yes to confirm the action. The job will be deleted, and you can create the same job again and send it to a different or same auditor. Let's look at the query workflow in SMSF Sorted Basic. While auditing the fund, the auditor can simply raise a query for you to which you can respond in just a few clicks. To view and reply to the queries received, click on Clients, Manage Jobs, and then on Submitted to Auditors tab. Now, select the View Queries option from the Action button alongside the relevant job. Now, click on the query to open it and write your query reply on the appearing text box. You can also attach reference documents. Once done, click on Reply or Reply an email. This will send a notification via portal and email to the auditor. The query reply will be sent, and you can view the status of the query along with the submitted date. If any of your staff is unavailable for a while, and you want to reassign the client contact for the jobs in their bucket, here's how you can do it. Click on Clients, Manage Job, and select the Reassign Client Contact option from the Action button. On the appearing page, select the new client contact from the drop-down and click on Save and Close. The client contact will be reassigned, and the new client contact will now receive a confirmation email on their registered email address. If there are some documents that were missed at the time of submitting the job to the auditor, you still have an option to upload the documents and submit them later. To upload additional documents, click on DMS and select the relevant fund. Now, click on the Upload Document icon and upload documents by drag and drop or from the local drive. Once done, the uploaded documents will now appear in the Unsorted folder. Select the documents from the DMS and click on the Submit to Auditor button. These additional documents will be now available to the auditor in the Unsorted folder of the Audit Automation. To reflect the changes made in accounting software, you have to re-import the client. In the same way, to reflect the similar changes in the auditor's portal, you will have to resubmit the job. Here's how you can resubmit the job to the auditor. Click on Clients, Manage Jobs. Now, click on the action icon and select Resubmit to Auditor. While resubmitting the job, you will be prompted to re-import data. Click on the Re-import Data button, then on Resubmit. The job will be successfully resubmitted. Managing audit letters and reports shared by the auditors. Before getting started with the audit process, auditors may require pre-audit letters and reports to be signed by the trustees of the fund. Auditors share the report templates for the pre-audit letters and reports. To view and generate the shared report templates by the auditors, click on the Clients and then Report Templates. Now, select the Audit Firm and Report Templates. You can view the template before you generate the report. Once done, click on Generate Report. Next, select the year from the drop-down. All the clients will be displayed on your screen. Select the client and click on Next. The pre-audit report will be ready to generate. You can click on the View icon to check all the placeholders are filled appropriately. Once you are satisfied with the results, click on Generate. The report generation process will start after you click Continue on the appearing pop-up. The generated reports will be available. Click on Download Report to download the generated report and share it with the trustees of the fund for signature via email. Once you receive the signed pre-audit letter or report, you can upload the signed report from here. After uploading the signed report, you can simply click on the Share to Auditor option to share the generated and signed pre-audit report. Pre- and post-audit reports that have been generated and shared by the auditors can be accessed if you click on Clients, Manage Jobs, and select the Submitted to Auditors tab. Now, click on the View DMS option from the Action column. Now, if you click on the Audit Letters and Reports folder, you'll find the shared post-audit reports and pre-audit reports as well. Thank you for watching. Please contact Cloudoffis support for more queries.